So to replace the washer nozzles, you want to pull up the cowl, and to remove it, you have to take off the wiper arms. But you can do this without removing the wiper arms. All you have to do is stick a trim tool down here and pop the cowl up off of its push clips, and then you can simply reach underneath and do the job. It'll be harder to see, but I think it's worth it to not have to remove more things than necessary. Right here you'll see this washer hose. Go ahead and disconnect that by pulling straight down on it, just like that. And then the nozzle has two little clips I'll show you in a second. Basically, all you have to do is squeeze it, and then it pops out. So this is what it looks like. You squeeze it like this, and then it pushes up, and here you have it. And now if you had your new one, you would just simply press it right down into place, reconnect the washer hose, and then line up the cowl and press it down.